Hey guys, okay, so I know you've been waiting for me to make a video for a long time by now. Sorry I didn't get to do it earlier, but it's just because I have some mic issues and yeah, I have a lot of stuff at my school, so I hope you enjoy this tutorial and many others to come. So in this tutorial, I will be teaching you how you can write text or code or whatever into the web page. Okay? No, I'm not gonna do it with HTML. Although I will show you an example of HTML in it, but not now. Anyway, so first off, I'm gonna write the code and then I'll explain it. Alright, so okay. So I'll just write in hello world. And what this does is basically when you say document, that means you want to access the web page or the document of the web page itself. And then when you say .write, that means you're telling it to write something into the document. And then when you put this right here and then text inside of these, it'll be whatever is in here will be printed out in the web page. So let's have a look. Right now I didn't refresh. This is how it was before I refreshed. And okay, let's test it. And here it is. It says hello world. Very, very basic. Okay, so I want to show you guys a little bit more of the document.write, and I hope you guys would understand, but I'll try to explain it my best, okay? So, as you can see here, I wrote in HTML syntax in there. You're probably saying, what is he doing? Well, in the JavaScript itself, when you say document.write, it'll take whatever syntax, HTML, PHP, CSS, whatever it is, it'll take it in there and it'll count it as syntax itself. So when I say hello world, as you can see right now, it's little, not that big. But if I go H1, that means like you can make it bigger, a lot bigger. So whenever I refresh, it's a lot bigger. Alright, so that's for HTML, but what you can do, you can also do PHP. Let's do echo. When you say echo, that means you want to echo something out into the web page or the data or whatever. Okay. Well, I'm not sure if I'll make PHP tutorials, but if I do, I'll probably show you guys this first. Okay. So let's do hello world, and it'll go back to small because I didn't do the H1 into the PHP code. And so, yeah. So, what if we do H1? I'm not really sure because I have not tested it. So, H1. H2. Sorry. And it works like this too. Alright, well, I know we just started, so I also want to show you guys one little thing to make you understand a little bit more about document.write. Hello world. Okay, so if you say hello world like this, and then it shows up like that, but then you say, what if you write something into the HTML syntax itself? Will it erase the hello world, or what will it do? So here, let's do test. It just makes a little space and then writes out whatever we wrote into the HTML body or the HTML. Okay, so yeah. I have a little bit more time left in this tutorial, which I did not expect, so I'll show you guys one more little trick that you can do with document. Now, there's a lot of tricks you can do with document. When you say document dot something, which is, oh my god, okay, document dot. You can say document dot body, document append child. I'll show you guys these later on the tutorial series, but for now I want to show you guys document dot title, which basically means that you want to point out the title of the document. And yeah, hold on. I'm back. My friend came by. Anyway, like I was saying, when you say document and then that title, that means you want to change the document's title or the web page's title. So let's write something in here. Let's just do title. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so before I refresh, I just want to show you guys that. Okay, really? So I just want to show you that my title is set to this right now because I haven't set any title before I refreshed. Before I saved, and so it says localhost /xampp /tutorial talk.php. That's because, well, that's the URL. And so if I refresh, look at the title, and it says title. That's simple. Now you can, okay, so let's say you set a title to one page on your website or like that, and then you go on another page on your website and then do document.title equals something. Whatever you write in there will be that page's title. Every single page can easily be changed, titled, like you can easily change its title even if you set the whole entire website's titles as something. I know this is a little bit confusing, but I'll get more into this later. But for now, I hope you guys enjoyed and learned a little bit about this in HTML. In the next tutorial, I'm hoping that I will be teaching you how to write variables and how to use them in JavaScript syntax. So, I hope you guys like it, and see you next tutorial.